Santos, double block against her, but she gets it through.
Santos full of energy, making her minutes worthwhile.
A young rookie coming in for the injured Lastimosa with a great play from Mitsubishi Mirage G4. Expect more from the small sedan.
Bad fall.
There's a sprained ankle. So Patricia Santos checks in for USD. Now at set point 24-18. Lastimosa getting treatment right away, and their USD is going to need her still, especially with the third set coming in.
And you see immediate adjustment as well on the side of Adamson responding to that one. Let's see. Santos a little bit too excited.
No whistle yet to serve. All right, now we're good to go. The crowd getting a little excited here today as well. Pineda. Cortez. Nice break by Tempiatura. Pineda. Outside. USD. What a turnaround here.
That's right. And if you're on the side of Adams, you must be thinking, what was happening to the team?
It's definitely surprising to volleyball fans seeing this unexpected turn of events. USD with a 2-0 lead over Adamson.
On its way to the first technical timeout.
Yeah.
Hindi sila pwedeng magpalamang ng ganun kalaki.
Good serve by Tunay, 7-3. De Leon. Tempiatura with a dig. Pineda off speed. That time, USD performance over Adamson, and I'm sure it's as much a surprise as, you know, to anyone as it is to us. Kasi obviously, with the record that they have, Adamson at 6 and 7, USD at 4 and 9, you'd expect more control, more performance dito sa Adamson. Pero also down by 5, make that big ones.
And yun nga, no, we know how this game matters more to Adamson.
Alquino with a Gatorade fueled spike of the game. Gatorade win from within.
Tunay.
9 serving 10. Tunay. One-handed reception there. Mula kay Zapanta. Meneses. Days it's better to be protected. 12 all. The first deadlock of set number 3. Santos. Paat will set it up for Pineda. Cut shot. Tunay. Babawi. Blocked again. Santos. Pineda. Over received. Free ball. Adamson. Pineda. Went around the ball, just trying to prepare themselves for an attack, for getting the first touch.
Adamson now back to life.
And the fans are loving it. Adamson with the lead for the first time, 13-12. Timeout ni Coach Oji Mamon. Will listen to USD.
Okay. Pinalamang natin. Nawawala na sa focus. Mela, hindi puro pag gano'n ng palo. Crossword pa dito. Sinisingle block ka ni Amanda, nasi-check ka. Pamira yan. May coverage tayo, nakaka-block tayo, nakaka-defense tayo. Maliw lang. Tagaan lang!
Villanueva has been the hero para sa Adamson here in set number 3. Santos, double block against her, but she gets it through.
Santos full of energy, making her minutes worthwhile.
A young rookie coming in for the injured Lastimosa with a great play from Mitsubishi Mirage G4. Expect more from the small sedan.
Miss.
Good serving from Tunay. Santos right there. De Leon. What an angle, picked up by Tempiatura. Here comes Pineda, off speed. Finds the corner. Grabe si Cortez.
Pineda, very smart attacker here for Adams. Kung makikita, no, this is when experience really kicks in. Nakikita mo, alam niya kung saan yung butas ng kalaban.
14 all. Maylene pa at serving. Adamson down 2-0 against USD. Santos. Now it's too high. And now Pamela Stimosa comes back in for
Execution and
crowd favorite. Patricia Santos is back in. Napapasigaw yung mga fans dito.
40 minutes earlier as well, scoring some points for USD.
Replacing Lastimosa, and there again. Match point USD. Villanueva, the tip. Good save. It's still alive. Yes, what a play by USD. Zapanta. Cabanos. And it's good! Point from Liam Menendez, the rookie. And one celebration para sa USD.
Even if it's not very good for USD, sabi na natin, the most important thing here is that for them to end the season on a high note, and they are a success in actually getting that win.
The young rookie showing us the future of USD as well.